Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer photos and videos to Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm going to go under the supposition that you have those photos and videos on your device already, and in that case, all you need to do is just locate them through your File Explorer. Now, as you can see here, I have this open, and this is a folder with all the other tutorials that I've made, and what you're going to do is just select whichever video you want, click it, drag it over, drop it, and as you can see, it'll upload that file right here. I'll delete that since I don't need it, but you can also do that, or you can go into new and click file upload or folder upload from your PC and locate the files or folders that you want to upload, select them, and then Google Drive will upload it themselves or itself onto your drive, and you're pretty much set from that point on. And it is as easy as that. You can just do that. You can possibly even add some links maybe somewhere, which you can then of course you know add to Google Drive for safekeeping. But that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.